Welcome. If you're looking to allow Discord to access your call log on your Android device, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to make this happen easily. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and locate the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon, so tap on that to open it. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps option. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of all your installed applications. Now, look for Discord and tap on it to access the app settings. In the Discord settings, you'll see several options. Find and select permissions. Here, you can manage what Discord can access on your device. Next, tap on Contacts. This is where you can control whether Discord can use your call log. To allow access, simply select Allow. And that's it. You've successfully opened the door for Discord to access your call log. This feature can enhance your experience by making it easier to connect with your friends and contacts directly through the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.